Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to do a transaction with Liana wallet. Let's get to that. As you can see here, we have some sats on this wallet. So I want to send some sats to one of our community members that is asking for sats to test out Liana wallets. So I will be copying his address. I will put it in the send menu, test, send to, I don't know the name, but it was JP or something. So I can just say I want $100. So this is Signet coins. They're not valuable. They are very useful for testing purposes. And I will select this coin to be spent for them. I put this amount of fee where you can actually check the fee from places like mempool.space and others to see what's the fee rate now. And then I just select next. I have my hardware wallets plugged in. I need to sign. It's trying to detect the wallet. So here we go. Here's the BitBox. So the BitBox says spent from BTC testnet policy with 3 keys. You should hopefully be able to see that. And what we're gonna do is just click next. The different menus. We can actually also scroll. Now it shows us the amount and also the address in order to double check. As soon as we double check everything, we can actually do this and confirm. So it's transaction confirmed now. BitBox has signed. You still see that it is not ready because I used actually 2 signing devices. So it says one more signature required from the blue. The blue is this ledger here that I've tagged with. So just let me unlock it. And once it's unlocked, I can just click on sign. It should hopefully detect it. Bitcoin is ready. Once I click on the ledger, it should prompt that processing spent from known wallet or known account. It will show me all the details, asks to continue, and then I review like this is the amount and this is the address that it will be spending to. And if you want to continue, I continue. And these are the fees and signed transaction in the end. And it's signed and ready. You can see that it says ready and it's signed by BitBox and the ledger. And now I can just broadcast the transaction. So transaction is broadcast and I sent these sats to this user in the community. So yeah, this was how to spend sats using Liana wallet. Hope this video is useful for you. See you in the next videos.